Superlative adjectives are used to compare three or more nouns. They are also used to compare one thing against the rest of a group. Superlative adjectives are important because they help the speaker or writer to describe thoughts or ideas using the strongest possible word choices. Here are some examples. The African bush elephant is the largest land animal in the world. The suffix est is often used to indicate a superlative. Remember that a suffix is an ending that attaches to a word that can change the meaning of the word. In this sentence, the adjective largest is used to show how large the African bush elephant is, the largest of all. Some people believe that the Statue of Liberty is the most famous monument in the United States. Notice that this superlative adjective is indicated by using the word most before the adjective. In this sentence, the adjective most famous is used to show how famous the Statue of Liberty is. The most famous. Another way to express the superlative is by using the word least before an adjective. For example, the least difficult part of the assignment was the essay question.